Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2010 Mazda 3, stock number 6936. This ran from the 4th 2009 to the 10th 2013. It has an L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is the L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front 17-inch flat yellow Mazda tyre. Left hand guard, no dents. Left front door mirror. Left front door, 1 dent. Left rear door, 1 dent. Left rear 17-inch flat yellow Mazda tyre. Left hand taillight. Right rear 17-inch flat yellow Mazda tyre. Right front door, no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right front headlight needs polish. Right front 17-inch flat yellow Mazda tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory 6-stack stereo. Display cluster. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.